All right, today in Notebook Nook, you are going to work on completing the foldable that you put in your notebook yesterday, so it should look like this. The first thing I want you to do when you get in Notebook Nook is draw a line down the center of your foldable like I have so that you've divided it in half. It'll make it much easier when you start doing your work. Today you're going to do just 3 parts, and I've noted that also in the instructions that I wrote. You're going to do the what is multiplication part right here. You're going to do a partial products method example, and you're also going to do the multiplication in words part. Now I'm going to explain to you how to do each part, so make sure you listen carefully. The first part you're going to do is the partial products example. So I'm going to show you what I did, and then I'm going to tell you what problem you're going to do. So I've done 27 times 17, and in order to solve that, I've broken down my second number 17 into place value form. So I've broken 17 into 10 and 7. So now I can do 27 times 1 and bring down my 0, and we know that 27 times 1 is 27, and I bring down my 0, so I have 270. So that's one of my partial products. Now I'm going to do my second number, which is the 7, so I have my problem over here. So I'm going to do 7 times 7, which we know is 49. So I'm going to write my 9 and carry my 4, just like that. Wrote my 9, carried my 4 up there. So now I'm going to do 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14, and then I need to add this 4. So 14 plus 4 is going to be 18. So it's going to be 189 is going to be my product. Now that I have my 2 products, I need to add them together. So I need to add 270 plus 189. So I set that up. You may want to write a little smaller than I did so you have lots of room. So I'm going to add 0 plus 9 is 9. I'm going to add 7 plus 8, which is 15. So I'm going to write my 5 and carry my 1. You'll see I did 7 plus 8 is 15. I wrote my 5 and carried my 1 over here above my 2. So now I'm going to say 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. So my product is 459, and I'm going to write that up here with my original problem and circle it. So now I have done my partial products example. You are not doing this example in your foldable today. I just wanted to show you how to do it. This is the example that I expect for you to do. So you should do 38 times 18. Make sure you do it in partial product form. If you need to rewatch this video to help you do that, you most certainly can. The next thing you're going to do after you finish your partial products video, after you finish your partial products example, is you're going to write multiplication in words. So that's this piece right here. So my original problem was 27 times 17. In words, that is 27 groups of 17. So you're going to do the same thing using your problem. If after you're done solving your partial products method example, just like I have done right here, and you have completed your multiplication in words, then you can go to the link that I've provided and watch the short video so that you can answer what is multiplication. And you're going to write that right here in this box. When you are finished with this, it's colored, and these 3 pieces are completed that we talked about today. So you should complete what is multiplication, this one right here, the partial products method, this one right here, and then the multiplication in words right here. Then you should make sure it's colored, glued on the correct page, and turned into the computer cart open to this page. After that, if time still allows, make sure you do your early finisher activity. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to whisper talk to a neighbor or come to the table and ask Mrs. Eller as long as she's not working with a group. Have fun and work hard.